Okay, welcome back. In this short tutorial, we'll see how to use shapes uh, in our tables. Uh, what I mean is, okay, I'll show you how to use it. You'll understand. Now, see, in any table, there are some very important informations, which are, uh, uh, which are the variables which are giving you important data. In this case, say for example, it is stock cost. Means this is the price of the items that you have in your stock. So now let us take the sum of that. Sum. Okay, we'll not do there. We'll do it here. Is equal to sum and say it is stock cost is column H. So column H, and add, as we had seen earlier, if you want to if you want to do an operation on the complete column, that is all the number of rows in that column, you just say H colon H, this, say enter, 294. So total stock value of your items are $294.4. Now, if you want to represent this effectively with some kind of a shape pictorially, that is what we will learn to do here. Now we'll go to insert. Can you see there shapes? We'll take shapes, and out of all these shapes we can select any one of them. Say let us select this circle. Now, beauty of the Excel sheet is once you have used the shape in your table, you can consider this as any other cell. So this shape which you have inserted will act as any other shape. So now this data we have to drag it here. For doing that, although it is not a cell, when this is selected, you can see you can create the equation for that, formula for that, or formula or equation. So once you say equal and you want to bring this data there, select this, that has come there, and say enter. You can see 294, it has come here. So wherever you drag it, that 294 will go there. Now we can slightly format it. So say we bring it to the center, bring it here, and then so that whoever is watching this, whoever is going through this table has some clarity, we can give some kind of a name to this, that okay, this is profit. So again, we'll go to insert, go to text box, double click that, and put it here, and give a name, say profit. This is, sorry, not one, stock value, and again place it properly. Now this is stock value and the value is 294.4. Problem with this is if you move this, everything will come, but a stock value will remain there. So for doing that, what we will do is we'll select this shape, press shift and select the stock value, that is the text box, and within the shape somewhere right click it, come to group and say group. Now you see the beauty of this feature is that you have got a huge table, and And stock value is a very important parameters related to the table. You can keep it separately in a shape. You can move around wherever you are seeing the wherever you are examining the this. I think somewhere I clicked and this stock value got ungrouped, so we'll just group it again. So selected that, put okay, shift this, both are selected. Group them together. So that's all about using shapes. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.